Hello and welcome to Maker Mondays with Harris County Public Library. This week we'll be making snowy sensory bottles. Since we don't get a lot of snow around here, we can make our own. A sensory bottle is a calming, mesmerizing toy designed to engage your senses, like in this case, our sense of sight. All we need is a few things from around the house. You can find instructions for this activity and more at hcpl.net. Here's what you'll need for this craft. A water bottle, here we're using the Voss brand, hair gel or glitter glue, blue food coloring, and then a variety of snowy knickknacks. Here we're using foam balls, beads, pom-poms, pipe cleaners, tinsel, glitter. Anything blue or white will work. We even have some snowflake cutouts. You can also use things like buttons, sequins, cotton balls, as well as marbles, pebbles, and confetti. You can put anything you want in your sensory bottle. First, we'll start by adding all of our items into our empty water bottle. We want to fill it about a third of the way with our knickknacks. You can even use your pipe cleaners to make fun shapes, like spirals, your own confetti, or even make pipe cleaner snowflakes. Once you've got all of your items in there, give it a shake just to move everything around. The next thing we'll do is add water to about halfway full. Close it up, give it another shake to distribute everything, and then we'll add a couple drops of blue food coloring. This will give it that awesome wintry color. Lastly, we'll add hair gel to fill the bottle the rest of the way. The hair gel is important because it has a very thick consistency, so it will keep all of our heavy items from sinking to the bottom and all of our light items from floating to the top. Give it one more good shake, and now our sensory bottle is complete. How will you customize your sensory bottle? Can you count all the snowflakes we put in ours? Get creative and have fun making. Thanks for joining us for Maker Mondays, and let us know what you create with your snowy sensory bottles by posting to our Facebook page or tagging us on Instagram with the hashtag HCPLMadeIt. And remember to join us every Monday for more Maker fun. Until then, check out your local library for even more book recommendations and inspiration.